Okay, so we're going to talk about how to import vectors into VCarve from another program. So I have a Beaver's logo right here that's already in Rhino, and I've done everything that I need to or that I want to do to the vectors. Now I want to bring it into VCarve. So what I'm going to do here, I need to ungroup this, and then I'm going to get rid of my hatch. Okay, so that all I have is my vectors. Now, the outside one I need to get rid of as well. And let's go ahead and check the size. We're 10 by 6, so I'm going to shrink that a little bit. Oops. Move that one down to 0. I'm going to change this to make it 6 inches wide. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, once my vectors are good, once my curves are good, I'm going to highlight it, type export or go file export, and give it a name, figure out where I'm going to save it. And for save as file type, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go down to AutoCAD Drawing Exchange DXF. DXF is a pretty universal file type that we can go between a number of different programs with. So we're going to do that. Save it as a DXF, hit save, hit OK. Now we're good. We have it as a DXF. So I'm going to go back into VCarve, and I'm going to go up here on this top where it says File Operations. It's the fourth button from the left in the top row. It says Import Vectors. I'm going to click on that, find my file, beavers.dxf, and there we go. You notice it bases it off of 0, 0, because that's where it was in Rhino. So now we could easily move that and align it to the very center. And whatever I want to do with that now, it's curves just like what we've had. They're ungrouped at the moment. So we could highlight those, go over here. We could pick a tool path, pick a tool, hit select, calculate. This one's taking a little while. There we go. Preview all tool paths, and there we go. That's what it would do. So again, that was pretty simple. Whatever we have in Rhino, we get it set up. We save it as the DXF, go over here to import vectors, click on that, find our file, bring it in, and we can still modify this any way we need to. Say we need to scale that up a little bit. We can go ahead and do that. Since I already have a tool path, I do need to right click on it. And where is it? Recalculate all. And it's going to recalculate those for us. And we'll go here, reset preview, preview all tool paths. There we go. Now it's a little bit bigger and looks a little bit different. So there's something that we can play with and use.